Hey everyone, my name is Trees Cactus and welcome back to another video. Today we're playing some more Watch Dogs 2 and I am in a huge battle right now. So I got let me just show you real quick. I got this upgrade right here. This one, the gang war one. This is the gang attack, and then there's gang skirmish, and there's gang war. And this is just crazy because it actually starts war and it's super epic. So I'm just going to go ahead, the cops are just battling it out with whatever other. Let's call a gang war on them. How about? And there's freaking crazy cops here. Hunters has joined the police, are you kidding me? I got hunters on me. I have hunters on me. Why hunters, though? Oh, he's over there. Dang it, I can't see him. Oh god, might die. Oh, I'm not gonna die. Not here. Not ever. Hey, gang. Hey, yeah, you gang. Oh, they're not a gang. What the frick just happened? I died. What? Can't even look around. What happened? What happened right there? Seriously, what happened? My car just blew up. Did the hunter have a grenade launcher? What? I've never actually got a hunter on me. I'm actually kind of annoyed with the hunter thing. Event complete was 5,000. But yeah. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. You can start some really awesome wars. And how about I start a war with you guys? Why not? I want to go on to this guy, you stupid idiot. No! You're about to die, bro. Yeah. Basically, the gang war sends really tough gang members, crazy tough who can survive grenade eye. Launchers and stuff. Over here, they're struggling to get here. There's a war. What the frick are they doing? What? What's happening over there? We gotta figure out what's happening over here. Oh, here they come. That's them. Oh, they're the Chinese gang. That's the toughest gang, bro. They have the coolest car and the craziest gang of all time, bro. Watch. They're gonna be super tough. Look at them. They're just destroying. Behind you. Ooh! Ooh, he got wrecked. Oh, no, never mind. He's still up. He punched that dog and just killed it. They're escaping. Oh, I'm gonna follow them. Just follow them. Ouch. Let's call another gang war on him. How about... What are they? They're just killing this gang. They're just destroying everyone, but I found your traitor. What the frick? This is such a gang war. This is awesome. This guy's about to get wrecked. Look at this ambulance guy. What the frick? Oh, that guy died. Dang it. Hey, he's still alive. Bro. No, I want him. Oh. No, I want you. Oh, he died. Dang. Wait, I'm in a police chase? What? But I didn't do anything. I was just trying to drive my motorcycle out of there. Jeez. I definitely didn't send evidence for them to get into a war. Yeah, this area is the best area to get into a war. Right here. Like, it's like the sketchiest area ever. I'm just gonna mark it so I don't lose it. Oh, what? I opened it though, and it didn't open. What the? They're shooting at me! What did I do? I don't get it. Like, the police are so fierce in this game. They just start shooting at you out of nowhere. No. Oh. Did that count as falling over? Okay, let's just go into this brewery. How about? Go to the back. Buy some brewery. How about? Oh, no, 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 no. Nani, 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 no. Nani, 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 no. Look at that guy. It's just like, I'm okay with the guy hiding here. Whoa, his hand goes through that covered thing. It's creepy. Okay. And look at his arm. Oh gosh. Drink coffee. Oh, it's like how Aiden does it. He like looks at his phone, just drinks it. No. It's like how Aiden finished it. Sweet. If you don't know what coffee does, it actually like focuses your sights and stuff. If you want to get into a war, you should drink some coffee first. If you know what I mean. Like, well, in real life, you probably would too. So. Okay, good. I thought for a second it wasn't gonna like reset. Ooh, look at this turquoise low. That was fun. That was very fun. Look at this lady. She's just like, well, god dang. My whole company just got exploded. Yeah. Look at this. What if you're like the owner of this company, just like in the yeah. Oh, we got ourselves a low rider, like we're in the mafia right now, and we're gonna make some mafia wars. Okay, let's do this. Ooh, that was his fault. You guys all saw that. That was so obviously his fault. Like, this area is so sketchy. Just look how much, like, restricted areas are in this area. Like, if you call a gang war, it's just, like, endless. And, like, restricted area over there. Restricted area over here. It's actually a pretty good money bag, but I don't want to bother. Ooh, a Woody. It's a Woody. What the? Is someone not? Oh, we got a war going on, everyone. Let's make this war a little bit more fun, eh? How about it? Like, wars happen all the time here. Hey, buddy. I'm definitely not stalking you, so when a war comes, you're definitely not about to die. Oh, that's my chance to shine. Oh, get wrecked! They're too busy in their thing, they didn't notice me getting that. Oh, good Shrek muffins. Thanks for the botnet recharge. Oh yeah, and you're also gonna get called on. Stay down there. Don't do anything, bro. Don't die, so we can see another war. No! Yeah, good boy, good boy. No, bad boy. come on, just wait a few more seconds. Yeah, run over there. Oh crap, there's crazy war going on over here. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Ah! Oh! I was just like, ah! Oh! Look at this. Dude, we called the lady. That is some crazy, awesome girl. Oh, she died though. Like, she just comes in with like a ton of armor, just destroying everyone. Hey, hey, hey. Take that, and I will forge some evidence about you. Oh, boy, move out of the way, move out of the way. No. Oh, he's still alive. Wait, nope, he's not. He dead. He dead, son. He dead. Hey, I need some botnets. Bro, what the? What's he doing? Just give me your botnets. Thank you. And let's get you into a war. Yes, 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 yes. He's gonna accidentally stumble into a restricted area. I can feel it. Okay. Just keep running. Oh, he's about to get shreked. Oh. Hey, hold up. Hold up. Hey. No. No, wait, I want to get a war started again. Gosh dang it. Gosh dang it. Okay. Well, got a guy running through the streets here. Probably trying to, well, it's actually a girl, but probably trying to look for some stuff about the other team. Walk into the corner right here, yeah, where no one gets here. No one noticed you screaming. Nope. Okay. Ooh, can I get on this house by any chance? Aww. Let's neutralize this guy. Okay. Screw my Woody. Bounty event complete. You kidding me? Meg 3707. We gotta kill him. Aww. Okay, should we keep doing... I don't think we should do any more wars. Screw you. Just like screw you. What's it even? Garbage bin. I just blinked out on what it was called for a second. Breaks too. Alright. Ooh. Wow, this looks like a crazy. It's my royal driveway. Move it, seagull. I'm going into my royal driveway, bro. It's my very bumpy royal driveway. It's like going on your very bumpy royal driveway. Get off that royal driveway, jeez. Why are there so much people on my royal driveway? Come on, seriously? Bro, get off the royal driveway! Oh. Nope. You're right. You can just hack them and they'll stop. get back on our royal driveway in the new car that we have. It's a royal driveway. It's a royal... Why is there so much dang people on this royal freaking... Ah! I don't think the AIs can swim, so it's kind of funny when they jump off. Because they just sink. Oh, let's try this again. It's my very hard to drive on royal driveway. Royal driveway. No, doggy, no. No. I just tapped the... What the... Extreme Parkour 101. But now she's gonna die. I think that's what you call parkour. You wanna see some parkour? Wanna see some parkour? Wow, I'm just walking. Look at me just on a poor old dog. So sad. Okay, we got a war between the police and the guys. Hacking invasion? What the? It started the Why did it start the freaking thing when I was outside the zone across a river? That was stupid. Alright, well, let's go. Let's find this hacker. Now I feel what it feels like when a hacker just comes up and hacks you just out of nowhere. Oh yeah, use NetHack. Ooh. Come on. Where is it? Oh. Dang. Frick you. No, stop reloading, my god. Really, bro? Nope. Get Shrek'd. Oh, I should probably put away my gun. Hacker found 15,000. Hacker neutralized 5,000. Another default hoodie. Dude, I'm wearing the default hoodie. What the frick? It keeps getting me the same hoodie. Like, you want this hoodie. Yeah, I know. I figured. No, I don't. Like, where even was that guy? I think he was in the bush, but I used NetHack, so... Yeah, I think he was right here, like this. I think he was like this. It's a pretty good place if they don't know how to use NetHack. Oh, wait, no, it's not, because... Where was he? What? I know he was in the bushes, but, like, just... There's, like, no good places in the bushes. Oh, he might be in the... Oh, he was probably in here, just like that, chilling in the dumpster. That's what I would do. But that's just because I know actually how to use NetHack. Just saying. Not trying to brag or anything. Yeah, I'm trying to brag. No. I just make her look at her phone. Punch her in the face. Alright, we gotta figure... What? So what? Cop's seeing me. What? Is the cop seeing me jaywalk? The cop's like, I see you. Cool, he sees me. Wow. What the? Is there no cop in here? Is there like a dog in here? I want to get in with the doggy. Aw, such a cute doggy. Look at the doggy just driving the car. Such a cute doggy. Aw, so cute. should be able to get in though. And a dog like drive with you, that would be awesome. Bats are so cute. Yes, he is. Alright, let's find something to do. How about we just jump around for now since I have nothing to do? Oh, if this was a hacking invasion, no, I would go to a different extent. I would go like a... Alright, let's do some hacking invasions, because as you guys know, I got into Master. The top player is like crazy though, so I'm probably not going to be in top player for a long time. But for now, let's just do some hacking invasion. And whoa, that was weird. And hopefully it's in this area so I can use that one hiding place. Wait, where is he? What? It messed up. It didn't do it. Destroyed Lime 9. Who the heck is this guy? What? Destroyed Lime 9. I don't even know who he is. Just randomly there. Launch. Okay. Wait, what did it say? Oh, never mind. Just gave me 8,000 followers for no reason. I think it's because that guy, like, got offline or something. There's a restricted area over here. I'm just gonna wait. Nope, not gonna do anything. Cause what if, like, he finds me and then we're in the chase, I'd call a mafia on him. And he would be way outnumbered since my mafia are the best mafia you can have, so he'd probably get wrecked. That's what I'm hoping, at least, for him to get Shrek muffined. Oh. Where is he going? What is he doing? Attack this guy. Come on. Let's go right here. Oh yeah, let's go right here. And hopefully he's not using NetHack. Let's just move up as much as we can so we don't get out of the circle. Oh yeah. I don't even know where it is, to be honest. Where is it? What? Gosh, he has horrible aim. I'm like running in plain sight, he can't hit me. Sad. Ah, frick! Oh, I hate when they just use this sniper. Who even equips a sniper? What the heck? I don't get it. Who even does that? No offense if you play the game and you equip a sniper, but just, I don't see the purpose of a sniper. Like, yeah, it's just not that good, in my opinion. What? What the? There's just a motorcycle here, like no one's business, just there. Okay. Not leaderboard, multiplayer. Launch. Where from? Connecting.
Christian, it's time to take a bath, dude.
Okay. Okay, guys. I gotta go, so unfortunately I can't hack this guy, but what if we just of course he left. I just started shooting him like nobody's business. What the heck was I doing? Hey, I might actually get the bonus because you left. Never know. Alright. Alright, so, but I do have to go, so, sorry, this is a pretty short video, only 30 minutes, but that's, okay. So, I hope you guys enjoyed, remember to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next video. Bye-bye!